We just drove on the wrong side of the road. Like we turned down a one-way only street and the car's coming at us. Literally, what
Oh, it's
the
completely under.
Oh my god.
We're just trying to get the Woolies. There's pee. There's so much water around, but I can't.
All that road there is flooded. If you don't know, it's raining really bad in like Brisbane, so bad that like all the road, most of the roads are closed and it's flooding so bad. This is our like 4th rerouting and we're roadblocked again. Oh my goodness. So it's officially been like 20 minutes trying to get to the supermarket that's 2 minutes away. So having fun there. Trying to find a reroute. The roads are just flooded everywhere. All of that's water. We're finally back home.